Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. The video before was me getting ready. The video now is me getting on ready. Okay, so like I said in the last video, we have Juvia's face on, and we have eyeshadow for the Juvia face. We have black eyeliner, black mascara. We have Beauty by Maine matte lip gloss. Excuse me, lip coloring is what I'm gonna call it, and it's called Atoya brown lip liner. LA Girls Golden Bronze. Also LA Girls, I got a darker concealer. Okay, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to wash my face. We're going to go ahead and play some music. As always, y'all know how I wash my face. If you have me, I'm going to go ahead and put a little eye in the box for some of my facial features. Facial series. I'm gonna have to, y'all gotta redo all my playlists. Now y'all gotta understand there's like 400 videos. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, I know this is not the color, they're not matching. Okay, but it worked for tonight because the dress came up to here. So whatever. This is my winter color. This is my, yeah, y'all, I've been in the sun. So anyways, so we have our regular Noxzema Classic Clean Eucalyptus. I love it when it started tingling. Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On this video, we are getting unready with me. The video before was the video of me put my makeup on. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. Let's get on right to it.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, oh, oh. Why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah. And I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you.
All right, you guys, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of 3 beautiful girls. On this channel, you get cleaning motivations, DIY inspirations. You can get ready with me, get unready with me, and a whole host of other videos here. Don't forget to click on all the playlists. We've been doing this since February, March of 2019, 2020, somewhere around there, y'all. And so yes, I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. We live in a 1983 L-shaped rancher, and we have been doing updates to it by ourselves, budget friendly. So I really hope that y'all enjoy those videos. That is also up there. We like to go on trips, day trips, and those are up there also. Yeah, so we do lots of things, and we are a family that loves to have fun. So I really hope that y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and then yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There is a talking piece at the end of the video if you want to listen to that. If not, you know, you can go ahead and end when we get to the end of the video. But the end of the video, if you listen to the talking piece, go ahead and give me a star on your comment. Let me know what you're doing while you're watching this video. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for being patient with me while I'm finishing up this bachelor's degree, and we'll be back. I've enjoyed this video of me getting on ready and get ready to go to bed. Okay, that's what we're about to do. We are the family that love life and having fun, and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. I thank y'all so much for getting us on the road to 600. Yes, this journey has been long, and it is okay, because the reason behind the journey is not, it's my why. And as long as I am here and breathing, I will continue to make videos for my children and for my husband, just in case something happens to me, anything like that. For anybody that loves me, that want to see me, and any of y'all who are growing to love me, growing to love our family, I want to thank y'all so much for being here. As of March, it will be 4 years. So we've been doing what we do and how we doing. Once again, this is not a sprint. This is a marathon, and not a short marathon at that. And it is okay. I'm getting better with my editing. I'm getting better with my intros, my outros. There's some things I gotta do with my playlists and things, but y'all gotta remember I'm in school too. So, but we got a lot going on. So I want to once again thank y'all so much for being here with us today. And this is how I look normal. This is just me. I don't wear makeup every day. I only do it once in a blue moon. Today I wanted to be beautiful, extra beautiful. I'm already beautiful, but I want to be extra beautiful. Let the music, letting the makeup enhance my beauty. Some people use it as a creative art. I use it as an enhancement to my already beauty I got. So I want to thank y'all so much for being here. Continue to be yourself. Do your self affirmations if you're having a hard time with yourself. There's times where I do, and I have to do my affirmations. And remember that God don't make no mistakes. Regardless of what's going on in my life, God do not make any mistakes, okay? So thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is also precious. I love you guys oh so much. We'll see you next time. Got that. We also got some Mary Kay time-wise, because guess what? Sister girl will be 42. Woo! By the end of this year. So what, let's see. Halloween. October 1st is Sunday. So that made 62 days. Today is the 27th. So 63 days until my birthday. Okay. December 31st. Don't forget it. Alright, so Mary Kay time-wise. 3-in-1. They have little exfoliating beads on it. Love it. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and do some extra stuff just because I had makeup on. Y'all know Toya don't wear a lot of makeup just because I know that my face is natural beauty. What was wrong is I didn't think my body was beauty, but my body is still beautiful now. Okay, all right, so we got some Clean and Clear foaming facial. So we're gonna do that with the brush. Okay, so we got that with the brush. I know y'all thinking that's a lot, but it actually isn't with makeup for me. And then that is it. What am I missing? Y'all, what am I missing? Toner! So we're gonna go ahead and, which toner do we have today? Are we just gonna do basic witch hazel? What are we doing? I think that's what we might be doing. Cause I don't do nothing else. I need to call my niece and get her to make me some. Vitamin E for oil tonight. Where is my witch hazel? See, this is what happened with kids. Come get your stuff. Y'all, I found my toner. I acquired the parcel. Y'all, this is my ish. At nighttime, it does help you sleep. I ain't gonna lie. After you do your facial stuff, make yourself feel all pretty. You just like, oh, I'm goofy because I'm tired and I had 2 lemon drops. I think. Put the vitamin E on. I know it says for hair oil, but I put it on my face. Just 2 drops, no more. Let's get this water going, get it warmed up. I'm trying to debate on if I want to do a chocolate mask. We'll do that next time. Whenever that will be. We haven't been on a date like this in a while. It was fun. I really enjoyed it with my girl Wanda and her husband Brian. Picture of them right here. It was her birthday, so thank you for once again allowing us to be at your birthday and inviting us. I am slightly tired, but this makeup can't go to bed with me, so yeah. Wait for the water to warm up. I'll be back. I can't stop how I feel. I'm digging on you, you digging on me, we're digging on we. Oh, I can't stop how I feel. I'm digging on you, you digging on me, we're digging on we. Yeah. That song has been in my head since like an hour ago. Why? I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna talk a little bit as we go through this process. I think it's been a while. I really haven't changed too much of anything. So because we do put the setting spray on, I like to make sure I get the water as hot as you can get it. And the reasons that we are here, the reasons that we feel, I feel it. Y'all, I'm sorry. The reason why is to open up your pores, get all the makeup and stuff out of your pores, okay? We gotta do that. And then, as we were doing that, wiping the face off and getting that together, then we shampoo. Do it again, shampoo. Then we wash our face, do it again, and get the rest of the stuff out. The reason why I do it like that is just because I want to get the first layer off first. Because I do have concealer, I do have regular foundation. We have eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and lip. I don't do all the baking and stuff like that. This is actually my first time not using a pad or a blender brush. I actually use the brush, the actual foundation brush. And I do like the airbrush look that I got from it. Only because I didn't have the other stuff that I'm used to using. And I would use my hand too, but you know, it wasn't, I didn't want to do that. So let's go ahead and do this part. I'm going to throw some music on. Hold on. So I'm one of those people, since I buy it for $15 a month, there is a link in my description box so we can get to a month together for free. Okay. Epidemic Sound does have like the best copyright-free music. Like I said, we pay $50 a month. Okay. However, it's like thousands and thousands of videos, like music. Yes, I play the same type of music each time because I'm not gonna sit here and research, but this is me researching what songs I like. I'll see what they got, and then normally on YouTube you go to it for free. This is called the Soul Deep, and then they have all different types of stuff. So if you like the music, you actually want to listen to it or put in your videos, per se, in all your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, all those things. Go to Epidemic Sound. There is a link in the boxes. This is not sponsored in any way, but go. I told you I had 2 lollipops, 2 lemon pops, whatever. Oh wait, no.
Sharing good food with your family is an everyday act of love.
There's a link in the box for referral code, so we can both get a month free. Okay. Water is good. All right, let's get this done.